Earnings season is chaos for most traders, but an opportunity for a few. Every quarter, volatility spikes, premiums surge, and gap moves jump 10%, 20%, even 30% overnight. That's why we built Drat Earnings Play, a quantitative alert system that analyzes volatility, strike selection, and historical earnings moves to deliver precise trading setups. Drat scans more than 500 companies, analyzing historical earnings moves, implied volatility percentiles, and options flow. Every alert specifies the strategy, whether straddle, strangle, or directional, plus exact strikes, entry ranges, profit targets, and stop levels. Pre-earnings alerts arrive 24 to 48 hours in advance, while post-earnings alerts hit within 2 minutes of the release. Last earnings season delivered: Uber Strangle plus 80%, Intel Strangle plus 82%, and MATW Directional Strangle plus 97%. This season is already firing. Our current Eric Straddle just hit target at plus 120%. Same playbook: precise entries, clear exits, defined risk. No guessing, just data-driven execution. Every alert includes the Greeks' implied volatility rankings and historical earnings analysis, along with risk-reward targets. Want a hands-free solution? Our automation tier connects directly to your broker, executing entries, managing stops, and securing exits automatically, all based on your account size and risk tolerance. Choose alerts only at $597 per year, or full automation at $997. With 70% alert accuracy, response times under 2 minutes, and coverage of more than 500 companies, Drat delivers consistent, transparent results. Stop guessing on earnings trades. Start trading systematically. Join Drat Earnings Play today and master the chaos.